So I've got these grow beds in my garden, not doing much in the wintertime. I'm gonna see if I can make a greenhouse out of some fence panels. We'll see how it works.
So the first step was to clean the beds that were there. I had to rake a bunch of pine straw and leaves and things like that out of the way.
All right, so this middle walkway right here is where I'll be walking once the greenhouse is done. I've dug it out a little bit in the middle. And I took that and I threw it onto my little dirt maker. I shook it back and forth, and what I'm left with is some really nice topsoil that I can plant right into. I think I'm gonna make a video later about how to grow microgreens, and I'll probably use some of this to plant my microgreens. So right now it's about 6'4", and I'm barely hitting my head when I come through here, so I may need to dig a little deeper. All right, so we are done with our frame, and now it's time to get some plastic and to wrap the thing in plastic. And that's why I've got my special helper here who's going to help me with all this mess. We're gonna take all this, unroll it, and then put it over the greenhouse. All right, there's a look at the 10 by 12 greenhouse. Looks good. We'll be planting this week.